Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2022 Hyundai Tucson, stock number 6174. This ran from the 2nd 2021 to the current shape. It has a G4NL 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the G4NL 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door curve. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.